I make $100,000 a month selling free websites to people. Let me show you how I'm doing it. So, first of all, I just want to show you guys that I'm not full of shit. So, this is my Stripe basically. So, I have Stone Systems LLC, that's our company, me and Kai, who you might have heard of before. So, you can see this is from last month, August 1st to August 31st. We did about 110 in net sales, 114 in gross. You can see our monthly recurring revenue is $102,000. We have 361 clients or had, and got about 87 new people. And I can even show you for month to date, we've already gotten about 19 grand, an extra 16 customers, and we're at 106K MRR right now. So as you can see, I'm not full of shit. We actually do this. And let me show you what I actually do. So first things first, we give people a website. This is the very, very basic stuff. And the way that we do this is via a template in Go High Level. So this right here is literally a template. This entire website that you're looking at takes about 2 hours to set up. Every single one of these pages takes us 2 hours to set up total. So we just make them a good looking website, something simple that looks good, that's professional, that works for them. Right? But then besides that, you're just a regular guy if you're only selling websites, right? You're just cheaper because you're like $300 a month or so, which is what we charge, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to add some more features that are also from Go High Level and also in the template, so you don't have to worry about it. For example, right here, quote form. What's going to happen is anyone fills this out, automatically the client, like your client, is going to get a text message saying that he just got a new lead, not an email. We don't read emails, a text message. And their lead, the potential customer, is going to get a text message as well saying that, hey, thanks for receiving your form, or thanks for, sending out your form or whatever. I'll get back to you ASAP. So you can see how this is valuable to your client because now, as soon as someone reaches out, boom, immediately you're on top of it. Same with the phone number. For example, someone calls this number and they don't pick up, right? Your client doesn't pick up. Automatically, you would text them back and ask them, be like, hey, I'm on a job right now. I can't talk, blah, 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 blah. But here's my quote form. So this thing right here, so you can fill that out. So it's another way for if someone calls them, which by the way, if you're working with contractors, which is what we do, they miss calls all the fucking time. It's a big, big money maker, right? Because all those calls that they missed can now turn into a job because we ended up texting them back. So now let's go down and let me show you some of the other features. So these are all the services and so forth, work, blah, 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 blah. So here we have all their Google reviews, right? And you can see right here, they have literally 147. And let me tell you guys, this is actually one of our clients. These guys had 2 Google reviews when they started, and they've only been with us for like a few months, right? So you can see our system and what I'm giving to you guys can literally change these guys' business like in a very short amount of time and generate them a lot of money. But let me show you how it works. Yo, pass mic here. If you want to do exactly what I'm doing and you want to make money online, then this is what you need. I am giving absolutely everything away, a free course, step A to Z of how to do this, how to get clients, how to deliver, how to do everything basically, snapshots, templates, everything you could possibly need, with coaching calls, which are weekly, and a community of people doing the exact same thing as you. Only thing you have to do is go to saasscalingacademy.com where you can sign up to become a Go High Level affiliate so that way, if you win, I make money. So we only win together or we don't win at all. So I'll see you in there, saasscalingacademy.com. So obviously Google reviews, which is like the best thing you could do for like SEO and showing up on Google and getting more customers and shit, is really, really important. So what we do is we have this funnel. So this is where we send everyone, all of their customers to leave a review. So what happens is if for some reason someone wants to leave a bad review, 1, 2, or 3 stars, it's not going to go to Google. It's literally just going to go here where they can leave private feedback. Your client is going to get a text message with whatever they said. So, maybe it'll help them, but it doesn't go to Google. But if it's a 4 or 5-star review, what's going to happen is go straight to Google to the place they need to leave a review. Reviews already selected. So extremely easy for them to basically do, right? So that's the biggest thing by far there. And then we've basically automated this process as well so that automatically when they've done a job, we're just going to ask them for reviews, basically, right? So super, super straightforward. This company doesn't have to do shit. They're just getting a bunch of leads every single day by our work that we've done one time. I haven't spoken to these people in months. We haven't done anything for them in months. They're just getting jobs upon jobs upon jobs upon jobs from our company. So let me show you actually this guy's like client account. So you can see Terramorph, so that I'm not full of shit. This is September 3rd, which is yesterday, right? You can see. Look at all the text messages. Look at all the text messages. This is literally 120 conversations in the last 2 weeks. 120 conversations. Look in the automation. See how many people triggered. All right? This looks a little fancy, I know, but don't be afraid. 108 people in here. 108. Oh my God. And these guys didn't start in February, by the way. This is just when the automation was created. Right? 108 people, 70 missed call text packs, 36. These are all leads. They've gotten hundreds of leads. This is so valuable. $297 a month, guys. $297. So do you see how valuable this is to people and how you can basically scale this up to a point where you're at like 100K a month? Like we're now coming to the point. In a year, I want to be at 1 million a month. We're going to scale this to the moon because it works so well. It's so valuable to people and it's so easy for you to set up, manage. And then once it's done, you don't have to do anything anymore. So it's a very, very good system that I've basically been able to build here. And yeah, as you can see, it's working pretty fucking well. So that being said, join our Skool community if you're interested in this, because I literally have everything that you could possibly need, templates, courses, whatever the fuck. For free for you guys. You just have to be like my affiliate basically and go eye level. So that way, if you win, I win. I'm incentivized to help you because otherwise I don't make any money. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, which you can see right here, which is going to show you how to actually get some clients. So take care.